Mama, I came to see your son Uzo. Is he in? I have a message for him.
A message from who?
From a friend, his friend. Yes, she asked me to deliver a message to him.
Which of his friends?
Mama, Uzo, greetings.
Greetings. To what do we owe this visit?
I'm from the palace.
Palace?
Yes, and the message I have for you is for your ears only.
Oh.
Uju sent me to you.
Uju?
Yes.
How's my Uju? She fine?
She's fine. You don't have any reason to worry. She's okay.
So what is the problem?
Can we talk?
Okay, really appreciate your effort.
Uzo, I want you to know that love is the greatest force on earth. There is no mountain at all that love cannot bring down. I believe in your love with Uju.
Thank you. I heard everything you said. I already told myself that I will come for her, even if it means losing my life.
Everything will be fine. I just know that everything will be perfect. I only have to return to the palace. Please. I'm sure she'll be glad that I spoke with you.
Please. Tell her that I still love her. And nothing will change my love for her. Please.
I will. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Hey! What is wrong with you? How can you be sleeping on duty?
Will I say, this food will give me something done.
Sorry? Excuse you?
It's like the food you gave to me. There is something.
The king is on his way back. And I'm sure you know what it means when he sees you sleeping on duty.
Not true. See, thank you so much as you wake me. Hey. Let's go continue to eat this food. No, I don't want to sleep again. Like I wash my face before I go come back.
What is going on? The entire town seems deserted. We have been driving for nearly an hour now and not even one person. Something is wrong here.
Ino chenuzo, if you put it well. Is it good? Yeah. Jumbo. We look at a wire. Look at a wire. Look at it now, you can roll it. You will. I'm gonna walk another. What is the one will I walk? Every day, even a move on here. Over the Deluno. You go, no look, see, lonely. I'm going to love you.
What in the chase you?
Guess who I saw?
Who?
As I was walking through the market side to go see my girlfriend. Guess who I saw? Packed. Who? Waiting to grab me. Who? Ezemusu.
Huh?
Ezemusu.
Where?
He was packed there. Right here, waiting for me.
Long live your majesty. Ezamusuwan. Which tire should I add as?
I have some tires for you to walk on in the palace. So you follow him in the other car.
Okay, Your Highness.
Yeah. Take him to the room and ask the chef to do the needful while you prepare the prisoner for the ritual.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I'm sorry, my king. I'm sorry, sir. I'm impotent. I can't get an erection.
What?
Yes, sir.
I said get to work.
I can't do it, sir. I can't.
This is a wrong target. Wasted effort.
was supposed to be one of those guys on the floor, about to be buried. Really? Yes. But I was so smart enough to take to my heels. Immediately stopped on their way, seeking for innocent souls to entrap.
For how long? For how long are we going to continue to live in fear of our own king in our land? A king who is supposed to be our protector, making us live in fear. For how long?
For as long as it's going to take any man to put his life on the line and say, enough is enough.
I am that man. Enough is enough.
Are you sure? Are you sure you're ready for this?
The numbers are really increasing. It's your time anyway. Make the most use of it. Because tomorrow is not guaranteed.
My son. Whoever that told you that it is your own private part that will be used to prepare the medicine to cure the entire villagers as they saved you. Because, how can you sacrifice your life to salvage the terror for others? How? Baron, please don't.
It has to be somebody's son, Mama. This terror cannot continue like this. It must end.
An only son. How can you go to fight for the freedom of the land when families that have 3, 4, even 5 sons keep their own sons? Now, because don't.
Somebody must pay the price, Mama.
Not you. Shouldn't be you. You are an only child. Let me tell you. I know you are doing this because of Uju. You see, you will find a girl prettier, even more beautiful than Uju. Because one, don't make me childless in my old age. Ayokan. I am begging you, my child. Please.
Mama.
Please. Ladiko. Oh. Come.
My mind is made up. And there's no going back.
I have explained everything to him, alright?
Yes.
So if he's able to succeed, then there will be freedom for not just you alone, not just us, but for the entire kingdom.
Do you think he will make it out alive?
Come on, Uju, be positive. I believe in the power of love. Love is the strongest force on earth.
What if he does not make it out alive?
Then we will know that he died for something worth dying for, which is love.
Chin.
Sir, please.
My little ally.
I came to... I'm sorry.
Very good one, Betty. Nice one. Thank you for watching my back. What would I have done without you? Thank you, thank you. Very nice of you, right? Very nice of you.
Uzo, calm down, okay? Uzo, calm down, okay? Calm down. I'm with you on this. Anything that will put an end to this evil rulership in this kingdom, I'm sure with you 100%.
Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Then we have to get going.
Okay.
The journey is long.
Okay. That's right.
Today, I sacrifice to you again my semen of 6 months. After several withdrawals from a girl fathered by a dog and mothered by a human. As this semen has never touched the ground, so shall my life be prolonged in immortality. As this semen has never touched the ground, so shall my life extend in immortality.
Jumbo, Jumbo, Jumbo. Look at the wire, look at the wire. Look at it now, look at it. You go. I'm gonna walk another. What is the one will I walk? Every day,
Prepare the prisoners for the ultimate ritual.
Yes, Your Highness.
I told you I dreamed about this. My dream will always come to pass. They are going to kill us. They are going to kill us.
Uju, relax. Alright? Every death is death. Whichever way we are still going to die, it is not our fault that we tried to escape. It is not our fault. We tried.
Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Uju, it's okay. Anything can
I sympathy. Are you not a human being? Sympathize. Sympathize.
Shut up! You know what? You guys just keep quiet. Look at your face. Stand up! Yeah, stand up, stand up. Let's go. Keep quiet. My friend, stand up! No.
Okay, Dada.
Stand up! Stand up!
Sympathize.
Move up!
Dada, man.
Sympathize. Go!
Yes, I am. I guess I want to be.
No logo sieloli. Obodi chakwanuzo na mwa inago. Ino chenuzo ivi fuli welo. Isi kote fulo. Ya. Jemba. Look at the wire.
Where is that fool that calls himself a gentleman? Where is that traitor? Where is that tyrant? Show your ugly face! Odimba!
Who the devil is that? Who is that?
Thank God! We made it! Try.
You. How did you get into my palace?
Everything that has a beginning has an end.
I made a spare key of the palace pedestrian padlock. Put your hand through the small hole from outside the gate of the palace. Sling this key into the padlock, and then the palace is open for you.
Are you sure I'm ready for this?
Uzo, come on! I know that you are ready for this. I believe you want to do this. Look, this is the only time, the only opportunity we've got. If you truly love Uju, just like you claim, this is what you can do for her. We cannot come this far for you not to be ready.
I just hope she knows I love her very much.
Uzo, please. Do this. If you claim that you love her so much, then this is the time to show that you love her. Alright? Here. Come on, take it. Yes.
So you little fool, you think that you can walk up to an immortal man like me, holding a mere cutlass? Get this bastard!
Not so fast! Not so.
Hold on.
One more step. And I will pour this.
Hold it! Wait! Where did you get that?
A desperate man has no limits.
Wait! So what do you want?
Release the prisoners.
Hand over the bottle.
No. Release the prisoners now!
Wait! Hold on. Bring them out. Wait. Wish. Hand over the bottle.
I would have loved to grant your wish.
I will give you whatever you want. I can give you half of my kingdom. Hand over the bottle.
I would have loved to grant your wish. But for one thing,
I was bitten by a viper. When? Immediately the king showed up. I couldn't cry. I couldn't do anything. I just had to keep my cool until we finish the stuff.
Let me see. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to you, okay? Just go and get it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
hanging.
Continue no more.
We are almost there.
I can't, no. I can't, no. Please, I'm thirsty.
Okay.
I'm thirsty. Please give me some water. Give me some water, please. It's getting to my chest.
We are out of water.
It's getting to my chest. It's getting to my chest.
Okay.
It's getting to my chest. My chest.
Just hold on. I will take you to the hospital. Please.
Please, I cannot continue this journey. Please.
Samson, stop being negative.
I can't, please.
Samson,
I want you to go.
let me take you.
Please, no, I can't continue. The pain is too much. It's too much. Please, I need you to go back. Go alone. I can't continue. Please, go and save our people. Please, don't let me die for nothing. Please, save our people. Please.
Samson!
No! For the blood of Samson and all the innocent lives that were lost under your reign of terror.
Just hand it. Hey! Stop!
Emergency! What have you done? Emergency! I'm going to walk back on
The sacred pot is broken. Eziamos, I told you. Whatever has a beginning has an end.
Oyimu, we look at the wire. Okay, now you can roll it. You I'm gonna walk back another. Modern Mawula war. Every day, even a move.
How are the mighty fallen? Ojemba, Eziamosu. You were given opportunity to rule the great Odunze kingdom. But you chose to go the way of terror, evil, killing and maiming the people you are supposed to protect. Today, your evil acts are in the history of Odunze kingdom as a new king will replace you.
I'm gonna walk back another. Modern Mawula war. Every day, we made it!
My son! You made it! My son made it! My son made it! Well done! Thank you! You did it!
my last, Mama.
Hey!
Yes!
Dikeh! Thank you! Ndewo! Hey! My son made it! He made it! My son made it! My son made it! Oh! Hey! My son! Hey! Nna, you made it!
I made it, Mama!
Hey! Dikeh! Imagine what the man no lulu! 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 Imagine what the man! Onye remember! Onye remember! That imagine what the man no lulu! Imagine what the man no! Imagine what the man!
Jemba. Oh, you move, look at the wire. Okay, now you can roll it. You go. I'm gonna walk another. Modern Mawula war. Every baby. Ibanya muvulu mamye Obode de lunu Iyo koko no loko seloli Makwalilio Ogini neme ogini nabyo Nife melobanyo alu melo Okwanya siya chebani nebuzi anyebu Obode dele ono Ya ebinebeli Ojamba Esemwa Ojamba
Greetings, wise one.
Greetings, the most favored woman in this kingdom.
What brought you to my humble abode?
I have come to see the hero of our time, the new chosen king.
Chosen king?
I've come to see your son, Uzo. Tell him that the oldest man in Odun's kingdom is here to see him.
Let me get him, wise one.
I am waiting.
I have no intentions of being the king.
You don't choose your destiny. Your destiny chooses you.
Well, all I did for love. I didn't do it with any intention of being crowned king or any royal ambition.
Love is destiny, and so is royalty. Do you think it was your making that you decided to go to the evil forest? Do you think it was your making that you went and came out alive? No, it was your destiny taking you on the preordained steps that will eventually lead you to the throne.
But can't another be crowned king?
In a special case as this, it takes the one who killed the former king to become the new king. If any other person tries to ascend the throne, he will die. Yes. Tomorrow morning, I will be coming to teach you on your newfound destiny, the throne of Odunze Kingdom.
Jumbo, Jumbo, Jumbo. Will you move? Look at the wire. Look at the wire.
I leave you in peace.
You go. I'm gonna work another. Modern Mawula war. Every day. Ibanya mugulu mamye. Over the deluno. Iyo go no logo sieloli. Magwalilio. Ogni name, ogni labio.
My son, I believe so much in what the wise man said. No matter how hard you try, you cannot run away from your destiny. If the throne is your destiny, do yourself a favor and grab it with your two hands.
Kings are evil, mean, and without mercy. And I hate them. I do not want to be one. I hate them.
Not all kings are. It's a pity you only met the bad ones. But there are still good and loving kings out there.
No, Mama. They are all the same.
Then make a difference. Be the good and loving king you desire to see. Knows, maybe the reason the gods chose you. Yes.
If I should be king, I would have to leave this place.
Why?
I want a brand new palace because of the atrocities that has been meted upon this place.
Once you are crowned the king, it behooves on you to change the palace to suit your desire. This is an ancient palace. You can only renovate it, but not replaced with another. You cannot.
I have one more request to make.
Go ahead.
The chef who served under the former king, I'd like to adopt her and make her the first princess of this kingdom. Because it was through her bravery and wisdom this success was achieved.
Your words have become law already. As you have said it, so shall it be.
na-agbazi n'ọsọ n'obodo anyị o ka ọ bụ ka izobe n'ala anyị o n'ife mmelụ alụ na-emezikwanụ Chukwu okike nọkwa nso na nchabaga anyị anya ọkwa onye si ka ochebe anyị na-egbu anyị egbu ọkwa onye si ka oduba anyị na-egbuzi anyị egbu alụ na-emezikwanụ obodo delugonụ kedu onye anyị ga-akọsalụ kedu onye anyị ga-agwanụ Chukwu okike nọkwa nso ọtọ ọsọ enyemaka